Hi, I'm from Photo Discount World. Welcome to episode 9 of Photography Course 101. Today we're mastering your craft by looking at one simple technique to make your subjects stand out. That technique is leading lines. By using natural lines in your environment, you can guide the viewer's eye directly to your subject, creating a powerful sense of depth and focus. Whether it's a road, a fence, or even shadows, these lines create a visual path. They turn a flat image into a three-dimensional story. In this behind-the-scenes look, notice how small adjustments in camera height can dramatically change how these lines interact with the subject. The beauty of this technique is its simplicity. You don't need expensive gear, just an eye for the geometry already present in the world around you. Next time you're out shooting, look for those lines. They are the easiest way to instantly elevate your composition and make your subjects pop. Keep practicing your craft. I'm from Photo Discount World. Thanks for joining us for this series. See you in the next episode.